This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming essentials, a single fact table and clear dimension tables, and then connect them. Once done, load each source with get data and immediately fix data types. You should remove duplicates and trim columns now because clean inputs prevent relationship issues later. Make sure to mark primary keys where obvious. Use surrogate keys when needed. Next, switch to model view and prepare to set relationships. This begins the star structure. Now build the core. Drag each dimension key onto the corresponding fact key to create one-to-many relationships. Make them single-directional for faster queries, unless bidirectional is explicitly required. If keys don't match, create calculated keys or clean values with Power Query transformations. Use surrogate integer keys for performance and consider composite keys carefully. Once relationships exist, validate by creating a simple table visual combining dimension fields and a measure from the fact to confirm correct joins and results. Finish by optimizing. Write measures in DAX on the fact table rather than calculated columns to save memory and maintain flexibility. Then hide technical columns and disable auto-detect relationships to keep the model stable. Add a start check. Build visuals that slice by dimensions to ensure expected behavior. If something breaks, check cardinality mismatches, inconsistent data types, or missing keys first. These are the usual culprits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.